Do the doors on your grill cabinet swing freely open and closed? Then you probably need a new door magnet. There are 2 door magnets on the grill cabinet, one for each door. The magnets hold the cabinet doors closed. The magnet housing is made of plastic and it attaches to the cabinet with clips. If a clip breaks, the magnet may fall off. Replacing a door magnet is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. The door magnets are located behind the doors at the base of the grill. They're held in place with a couple of plastic tabs. Because of the way that the magnet removes from the cabinet, you won't be able to see me actually removing it. But what I need to do is press the plastic clips in as I push the magnet out of the cabinet. So I'm pushing in on the clips with my fingers and at the same time pushing the catch out of the housing. Now I can install the new door magnet and it just simply snaps into place.